Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on angle sum of polygons. We already know that the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. We can use this important fact to find the angle sum of any polygon. Let's look at some examples. Find the angle sum for each of the following polygons, and the first one is a quadrilateral. Now, a quadrilateral is a four-sided figure, as seen by the red lines. I've divided the quadrilateral into two triangles. I'm going to look at this triangle first, triangle ADC. And we know that the three angles of triangle ADC total 180 degrees. We then look at these three angles, this one, that one, and this one. And we know that the three angles of triangle ABC total 180 degrees. Therefore, the four angles of ABCD total 360, which is 180 plus 180. Because the total sum of the four angles, each of them that are formed by the red lines, is actually the total sum of the six angles that are formed by the two triangles. And that's why we get 360 degrees. We'll use this same approach to find the angle sum of a pentagon. So here we have the pentagon divided up into three triangles. So when we add up those three, we get 180. For this triangle, the three angles give us 180, and for that triangle, the three angles give us 180 degrees. So when we add them all up, for the first triangle, the second triangle, and the third triangle, we get 3 times 180 degrees, and that gives us 540 degrees for the angle sum of a pentagon. For the hexagon, which is a six-sided figure, it does not have to be a regular hexagon. As long as it's a closed shape and it has 6 straight lines, we can do the calculation. So we've divided this hexagon into 4 triangles. So here they are. To make our working a little bit shorter, we can see that basically the three angles of triangle 1 plus the three angles of triangle 2, etc., will be 4 times 180, because you have 4 triangles. So 4 times 180 degrees gives us 720 degrees, and that's the angle sum for the hexagon. For the 7-sided polygon, I've done it very quickly here, we can see that each of those triangles has an angle sum of 180. There are 5 of them. We can see there are 5 of them. So the angle sum for the 7-sided polygon will be 5 times 180 degrees, and that's 900 degrees. So this video has introduced us to the idea of the angle sum for selected polygons, and we've seen how we can divide the polygon up into triangles, which will help us to find the angle sum for any particular polygon.